Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and today's quick tech talk, I'm going to be talking about the low pressure oil pump on your 7.3. Low pressure oil pump. This isn't a video about how to install one, how to take apart your truck in order to get at it. It's actually really pretty easy, but we'll be covering that in the future. Today we're just going to simply talk about the fact that the truck that you have, the mighty 7.3, no matter what flavor, van, truck, etc., bus, the low pressure oil pump is the heart of your truck. And I want you to consider replacing this low pressure oil pump, this 20, 30-year-old low pressure oil pump. Don't care how many miles you have on your truck. It's going to make it run better, much better. And also, if you have the means, you might want to just jump right away up to the high volume model. Melling sells a basic one, somewhere around that $130, $150 area. Absolutely fantastic low pressure oil pump for your 7.3. And they also have, and reputable diesel sites also have a high volume model. This is the one that I want you to consider getting, and the reason why I'm saying consider getting is because it costs almost $500, $600. It's a lot of money, but it will improve flow throughout the whole motor. It will also stop wear, excessive wear, compared to the original low pressure oil pump on the 7.3. And as long as we're down in that area, here's another thing that I want you to consider. The old harmonic balancer. Once again, we're talking about 20, 30-year-old trucks, and the rubber dampers that are inside here start to rot and causes a little bit of vibrations, sometimes a lot of vibrations, and some of the new 7.3 Powerstroke owners think, well, you know, it's a diesel, and that must be the way it runs. This is the same situation as the low pressure oil pump. Your enjoyment of your truck, van, bus, whatever the case may be, is going to greatly increase if you consider replacing that harmonic balancer. And once again, I want you to consider, and the reason why I'm saying consider is going up to a oil harmonic balancer, a dampener. That right there I put on all of my rebuilds going out the door, and I'm here to tell you, whether you have a older 7.3 and you put a fluid dampener on it, it just makes a really great difference. But once again, if you do the high volume low pressure oil pump, or you do the dampener for the harmonic balancer, you're going to be into this job for over $1,000. But you will extend the life quite greatly. You will give you more power because there is more oil going to everywhere in the motor. And we know how important oil is in the 7.3 with the HUE injectors. The dampener, once again, the fluid dampener makes a huge difference in vibration in the motor, but you know, it's something that's not necessary, all right? But it will increase your enjoyment. It will stop that motor from doing that little bit of jiggle all the time. Just that little part right there, that harmonic balancer. But anyways, I hope you've learned something today, and you take it easy, and you have a good day. You're still here yet? It's over. Oh, I know. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the little bell, you know, the little bell, and that'll tell you every time I post a new video. Also go root around in my previous videos, and you'll find a lot of interesting content. Until then, go home. Oh yeah, the garbage can's over there. You know, don't be making a mess. You know, clean up after yourself. Go, go.
Listen closely for an instruction.